This is the login page. First, we need to input the valid credentials for the super admin, which is the email address and the password. The super admin has a privilege to create a new branch by inputting the branch name, address, and the contact information. Upon creating the branch, we can add a user to the branch by inputting the information of the user, which is the full name, email, contact number, password, and choosing a role for a user. For the list of user, we can filter it by role. It also has a branch switching, where super admin can access every branches and has a privilege to manage inventory. It can view and add a new service. Just click the add service button and input the service name, choose service type, add price and descriptions, then save. After saving, you can view the service added record. We can also add consumable product to that specific service by choosing in a drop-down, but since we haven't added a product to that service, no record form yet. Click add product and fill in the required fields. So in the consumable type, input the product name, service category for what service you will link this product, choose a manufacturer and a description. We also have an option where we can add a photo of that product. After saving stock icon, input the quantity and choose if it has expiry date or not, then add a note, then save. There's also an option here we can link a consumable product by choosing in the drop-down. This also has a manage manufacturer, so we can add a manufacturer here. So this will reflect in the drop-down option for choosing manufacturer in adding product. There's also an option here we can link a consumable product by choosing in a drop-down. So since we've already added a consumable product for a specific service, which is for checkup, as you can see, the added product named cotton balls is here. Next, we have this equipment tab where we can see the list of the equipment. We also have here the assignment history to view the equipment records and complete details. And we can also add a new equipment by inputting a new name, category, quantity, and description. To update the equipment status, click the update icon. As you can see, you can change the status of the equipment. Put the login credentials for the veterinarian, which is the email address and the password. It will redirect you to the dashboard, which has the matrix, total visits, today's visits, total of pet owners, and daily revenue. It also has a manage vaccinations, where once it click, it will redirect you to the list of vaccination. So veterinarian can manage the visits for the medical services for the list of visits. It has a search bar to easily locate specific record. We have a boarding tab where we can see the list of boarding, so we have a data that is pending. So we will attend this to fill in the fields by choosing the boarding package and completing the required fields. Once saved, it will automatically go to the billing, which is in the receptionist. For the checkup tab, it has the same process with the boarding. Click the attend button, then fill in the required fields for the checkup. After inputting the information, click save. Then it will appear in the list of the checkup. For the vaccination, again, same process with the boarding and the checkup. Click the attend icon and fill in the required fields. Choose a vaccination type and a product that was linked to that service, then complete the other fields. Once saved, it will be in the list of the vaccination. To view the pet health card, go to Pet Management, click Pet tab, and click the pet health card icon to view the record.
Click the deworming and then go to the action navigation to attend, and this is the details to attend and deworming services. Perform the selected services, which is any deworming types. Then let's put the title marks, then save deworming records. Let's not put test, so let's put petrifuse tablets and then save deworming records. After you save, as you can see, this is the deworming details. And let's go to the receptionist, let's log in, and let's go to sales management, search owner Fabian. Let's see, and here this is Amber the cat. Let's pay all the expenses. Let's put 500 cash, confirm full payment, and then payment successful. Let's search Fabian, and here's the receipt of your billing ID. And then let's go to surgical. Let's attend it by enabling the actions and the procedure details and the anesthetic. Let's put the time. Let's put the end time. And let's put our findings here in the blank space. And save surgical records. And let's go to the billing. Just a limb. Yes, that's it. And then the details. Docs paying, let's pay 2,500, payment successful. And then the receipt, and then that's the receipt of the services that the paid. Let's go to the diagnostics, the actions, and then let's scroll down his medical history. Let's put her to blood laboratory. Marks, let's just put test and say the diagnostic records, and then let's pay it. Antong de Leon, that's the blood laboratory, 2,500. Confirm payment, payment successful. And then Anton, the receipt, dang, that's the receipt. And then let's go to add pet. The subscription is going to add pet owners, and then the contact number. After that, the location, yes. And then let's click the green button right there. That's the add pet button. As you can see, the name, you put the name, the weight, the birth date, the gender, and the temperature, and then save. As you can see, that's Skycoin, and this is his records. As you can see, that's his records, but it's nothing else. And then let's go to sales management, and that's all the total sales, and the branch report, start date,